It can be with special vehicles such as garbage trucks or in the food industry where you need to clean big areas with potential nooks where dirt can hide. It would be a laborious and costly task to clean that with detergents. This is where washdowns with pressurised water can help. What are the dangers of cleaning with pressurised water? While it is efficient, the water leaves the hose with such force that it can easily damage the control panel. The keys can come off, water can flush through the smallest of cracks and flood the electronics, potentially bringing the dirt with it that can later on block the mechanics. How to protect your HMI against daily cleaning with a pressure washer. The sealing level you need is IP69K, which arose from the need to protect HMIs against washdowns. In order to reach this level of protection, one-piece rubber solutions, gaskets, and rubber boots for switches will most likely be required. It will also benefit to have big keys to absorb the force better. APEM provides panel solutions for special vehicles and the food and packing industry. We provide tests to ensure your solution can withstand a washdown.